Hey everyone, Technoventure here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Genmoji feature on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, in order to use this feature, you do need a compatible device. So this is going to be available on any of the new iPhone 16 and the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. Now, once you have a compatible device, you also need to update your iPhone software to 18.2. So if you haven't done so, go into your setting, go to General, and then software update, and make sure it is updated at least to 18.2 or newer version. So once you have those two requirements, you can start using Genmoji. So in order to use it, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and tap and open up your messages app, and let's go ahead and tap on one of our messages here, and then like you would normally type a message, but this time around you want to click on the emoji icon here, and then right here you'll see a new option that says describe an emoji. So if I do that, so I'm going to say cat in space, right? So I'm just thinking of a new emoji or Genmoji that will be generated right now. It's not available here, so all I can do is tap on that and it will say Genmoji here, and it tells you that using Apple Intelligence by creating original emoji. So we can do that, hit continue. And as you can see here, once I did that, it is generating someone's that I can utilize. So these are the options available. You can see here 4 of them. If you don't write it, you can always adjust this and add more description to get a better one. And once you're ready, you just hit add, and then now I have that, and I can go ahead and send that to someone just like that. Again, the more descriptive you are, the better the generation is going to be. So I'll say dog on the moon. Tap on this option here. As you can see here, it's generating now. Sometimes it's not the greatest when it comes to generating, so it'll go ahead and try to generate different images. So the better options you give, the more descriptive you are in terms of the color, the choices, you'll get more options here. And as you can see here, as you keep on going, you're seeing more options. And then again, once you like one, let's go ahead and pick one. Yeah, like this one. And I can go ahead and tap on that, and the new Genmoji is created, and I can go ahead and send it to the person, and they can go ahead and see it as well. So that's how you do it. Again, a compatible device with 18.2 will give you that ability, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.